Do you know what neem leaf is? If not, you're in for a treat. Neem leaf is a powerful herb that has many health benefits. It has been used for centuries in India and other parts of Asia to treat various health conditions. Historically, it has been used to treat pain, fever, and infection, while its twigs have been used to clean teeth. Sometimes called the village pharmacy, neem is a unique medicinal plant in that all of its parts, including its leaves, flowers, seeds, fruit, roots, and bark, are used to treat various ailments. In this video, we will discuss the best 8 health benefits of neem leaves. 1. Neem leaf is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for fighting free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and lead to various diseases. These oxidants can help protect the body against various conditions, such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Neem leaf extract has been shown to contain high levels of antioxidants. If you're looking for a natural way to protect your skin, neem leaf is a great option. They can help protect the skin against damage from ultraviolet rays, pollution, and other environmental factors. Neem leaf extract can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 2. Neem leaf can help boost the immune system. Neem leaf has been used for centuries in Indian and other parts of Asian medicine to help boost the immune system. The active ingredients in neem leaf, such as azadirachtin and nimbin, are thought to be responsible for their immune-boosting properties. These compounds have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. One study found that neem leaf extract could increase the activity of white blood cells. White blood cells are a type of cell that helps fight off infection. The study showed that the neem leaf extract could increase the production of antibodies. These properties make it an effective natural remedy for treating various infections. Neem leaf can be a great addition to your diet if you want to boost your immune system. 3. Neem leaf can help improve digestion. Neem leaf is a good source of fiber. Fiber is vital for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps to add bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the intestines. Fiber also helps to absorb water and keep the stool soft. This property can help to prevent constipation and other digestive disorders. Neem leaf can also help to treat diarrhea. The bitter compounds in neem leaf help stimulate the production of bile. Bile is a substance that breaks down fats in the digestive system. This property can help to improve digestion and relieve diarrhea. 4. Neem leaf can help lower cholesterol. The compounds in neem leaf have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. One study showed that taking a neem leaf extract for 12 weeks significantly decreased their LDL, harmful, cholesterol levels. HDL, the good cholesterol, showed an increase in levels. Another study showed that the compounds in neem leaf could reduce atherosclerotic plaque formation. It is a condition where fatty deposits build up on the walls of the arteries, which can lead to heart disease. If you are looking for a natural way to lower your cholesterol levels, consider adding this powerful herb to your diet. You can find neem leaf supplements at your local health store. 5. Neem leaf can help regulate blood sugar levels. The blood sugar level is the amount of sugar in the blood. The body regulates the blood sugar level by releasing a hormone called insulin. Insulin helps the body to use or store sugar for energy. Neem leaf can help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin release. Not only does neem leaf help with diabetes, but it can also be beneficial for pre-diabetic people. If you have diabetes or are at risk for developing diabetes, neem leaf can be a helpful addition to your diet. Neem leaves help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. You can never go wrong by incorporating neem leaf into your diet if you're looking to regulate blood sugar levels. In one study, diabetic rats were given neem leaf extract for 30 days. At the end of the study, the rats had lower blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Another study found that neem leaf extract helped reduce fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 6. Neem leaf can help treat skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. The exact cause of acne is unknown, but it is thought to be related to hormones, genetics, and inflammation. Neem leaf can help treat acne by reducing inflammation and preventing the growth of bacteria. One study found that a neem leaf extract could reduce inflammation and prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. The study found that the neem leaf extract was as effective as benzoyl peroxide's popular acne medication. If you are looking for a natural way to treat your acne, consider using a neem leaf extract. Neem leaves are also suitable for treating other skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The leaves can be made into a paste and applied to the skin. They can also be used to make a face mask or cream. 7. Neem leaf can help reduce fever and relieve pain. Neem leaf has been used for centuries to reduce fever and relieve pain. The compounds in neem leaf are thought to help reduce inflammation and swelling. They also help reduce fever symptoms, such as pain and inflammation. One study found that neem leaves effectively reduced rats' body temperature with induced fever. It found out that neem leaf could reduce fever by up to 3 degrees Celsius. Neem leaf is also effective in relieving pain. The compounds help block pain signals from the brain. If you are looking for a natural way to reduce fever or relieve pain, consider adding neem leaf to your diet. You can find neem leaf supplements at your local health store. 8. Neem leaf can be used to treat malaria. Malaria is a severe disease caused by parasites transmitted to humans through mosquito bites. If left untreated, malaria can be fatal. The symptoms of malaria include fever, chills, and flu-like symptoms. Neem leaf has been used for centuries to treat malaria. The compounds in neem leaf help kill Plasmodium, the parasites that cause malaria. It can help reduce the symptoms of malaria and boost the immune system. Neem leaves are safe for most people to consume. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult your doctor before taking neem leaves. Neem leaf can also interact with certain medications, so it is crucial to speak to your doctor if you take any medicine during pregnancy. This concludes our list of the top 8 health benefits of neem leaf. As you can see, this herb is highly versatile and can be used to treat various conditions. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your health, consider adding this